You know, it's a terrible thing to go through. You kind of don't think it's going to happen to you. I know that the day of the fire, you know, it's 4 o'clock and 4:30 in the afternoon, and the fire department rolls up their last hose, and everybody's just gone, and you're sort of about as vulnerable as you can be at any point in your life. So, you know, you feel really helpless. Yeah, I'd had some bad experiences in my past with contractors, so I was a little leery.
No, I first did my research on the internet, finding out the local restoration contractors. Looked at the big national brand franchise types, and then tried to find some local folks to see if I could get a bid out of them. Ken was from Blaze Construction, showed up, and we talked, and I was really impressed with the fact that the owner showed up. And I interviewed the other two companies, but in the end chose Blaze Restoration. Just had a good feeling from him, and we're glad we chose him. Blaze Restoration took not the lead, but they were instrumental in responding to the insurance company's estimates and showing them why this was, this needed to be added. Blaze kind of took the lead on that and really did a great job dealing with the insurance company.
And Ken took care of all of it. I mean, he talked to her and gave her all the reasons why we needed to do this and why we needed to have certain things done that were not in the original bid that she had. And he got us an incredible house, one that's everything we wanted and more. Ken is amazing. I mean, he's always available. He returns calls immediately. He's just a great guy all the way around, and really made me feel like no question was irrelevant or stupid, and he spent all the time I needed to talk about whatever it was I needed at the time. I mean, it was actually kind of fun working with Ken.
And we should add that Annie did all the design on the house, and she coordinated with Ken on that, what she wanted, and without any professionals in between us, we got this place put back together the way Annie wanted to, and that's pretty amazing. I mean, he stuck with the schedule he told us from the start, and we are in the house 10 months later, which everyone told us was going to be at least a year, including the insurance company said you're going to be a minimum of a year, probably a lot longer. And we're 10 months from the fire, and we're ready to move in. We certainly feel like we made the right choice.
Absolutely.
Blaze Construction.